Today we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We'll show you how to buy Solana on Binance, the biggest crypto exchange in the world, as of the time this video is recorded. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things crypto. Let's dive in. So Binance offers many options where you can easily buy several cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin with the lowest fees and highest security. So step 1. You'll need to create a free account on the Binance website or the app. The link to the website is in the description. Click on that and you'll land on the page you're seeing on your screen right now. Binance is a centralized exchange where you can buy several cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin. Before you can use the Binance platform, you'll need to open an account and verify your identification, or popularly known as KYC. Register via the Binance app, or you can also register via the website using your email and/or your mobile number. Step 2. Once you're successfully registered and verified, you're ready to buy crypto on Binance. Click on the Buy Crypto link on the top of the Binance website navigation to know about the available options to buy Solana in your country. A pro tip before we continue. For better coin compatibility, you can consider buying a stablecoin like USDT or USDC first, and then use it to buy Bitcoin. You basically have 4 options. Option A. Buy Solana with debit or credit card. If you are a new user, this is the easiest option to purchase Solana. Navigate to the Buy Crypto with USD page on Binance. Select USD and SOL from the drop-down menu. Choose Card as the payment method and click Confirm. Add New Card will appear if you have not purchased crypto in Binance using debit or credit card before. Click Add New Card, enter card details, and click Confirm. On the payment confirmation page, verify details and confirm the order within the time limit. Click Confirm to place your order. You will be redirected to your bank's OTP transaction page. Follow the instructions to verify the payment. Once verified, the coin will appear in your spot wallet. And just like that, you've purchased crypto on Binance. Now, at this step, you can either store or use your Solana in Binance. You can also opt to buy and sell Solana on Binance's peer-to-peer service with various payment methods. All in all, you're ready to trade Solana. After buying Solana, you can also trade it for fiat and other cryptocurrencies. Binance offers thousands of trading pairs, giving you the flexibility to enter and exit the market with ease. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to buy Solana on Binance. If you found this helpful, please like and share it with your friends. If you enjoy this type of content, please remember to subscribe to the channel and put notifications on never to miss new updates on crypto. Thanks for watching.